Welcome back to Custom Diecast Models. Today is a great day in the Custom Diecast workshop because look right here. We have an envelope from Payda's place. Doug, these are your decals, I'm pretty sure. But really awesome day. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up with you all so we can figure out what is in this envelope. Very well sealed, I will say that. Looks like I used like glue. So let's open this thing up. Alright, so we have all the instructions about it. Would you look at that, guys? Daniel Hemrick's 2024, my bad. 2024 circle paint scheme. Got the white background removed. Guys, this is going to be an awesome car to build. And man, this is so exciting. Doug, I know it's been a while. It's been a really long time. It's been maybe, I think it's like 12 weeks or somewhere around there. A really long time. I really apologize for that, but this video is just updating you, Doug. The decals are here, and now I will get your diecast done and then get it shipped out to you. But yeah, awesome day here on the channel, and I'm looking forward to building this car. You know, really cool paint scheme, and yeah, looking forward to it. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. 491 subscribers right now. We are 9 away from the big 500. Let's try and get there by the end of June. That'll be our goal. By the end of June, let's try and get to 500 subscribers. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. We'll talk to you all in the next video.